Hi, friend. Do you sometimes think native speakers talk fast, and I don't understand simple words? Maybe you already know many English words, but you are not sure which words people really use every day. Today, I will help you learn some very common daily English words you can start using right now. And don't worry, we go slowly together.
Hi everyone, welcome to Elevate Your English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Mark. I'm very happy you're here today. In this episode, we start learning part of the 200 most common English words native speakers use every day.
Yes, these are words people say every day, at home, at work,
In shops,
with friends,
on the phone,
and online. Great when you learn these words. English feels easier and more natural.
So, today we learn 8 powerful daily words and phrases you can use immediately.
Ready?
Let's get started.
First, listen to this short conversation.
In this example, Mark and Mia meet in the morning before work.
Hi, Mark.
Oh, hi Mia. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm just very busy today.
Yes, me too. I need coffee.
Same. I want coffee and breakfast.
Do you have time now?
Not really. I have to go to work.
Okay, let's talk later.
Yes. See you later.
Let's listen to that conversation one more time. This time, a little faster.
Hi, Mark.
Oh, hi Mia. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm just very busy today.
Yes, me too. I need coffee.
Same. I want coffee and breakfast.
Do you have time now?
Not really. I have to go to work.
Okay, let's talk later.
Yes. See you later. Did you hear those small words?
They are simple. You can easily miss them, but native speakers use them all the time.
That's right, Mark, which is why this lesson is so important. I'll explain each one like we're chatting over coffee.
Here are today's 8 important daily expressions.
Listen carefully. Repeat after us.
Number 1. Just. Meaning, a little time ago or only.
Example, I just arrived at work. Meaning, I arrived a few minutes ago.
Example, I just need water. Meaning, only water, nothing else.
Native speakers say this word many times every day. Now it's your turn. I just finished my homework. Repeat, I just finished my homework. Great job.
Number 2. Need. Meaning, something is important for you.
Example, I need help. Example, I need sleep. Now it is your turn. I need coffee. Repeat, I need coffee. Yes, perfect. The word need shows what is really important in your life.
Number 3. Want. Meaning, something you like or wish to have.
Example, I want tea. Example, I want a new phone. Now you say, I want to learn English. Repeat, I want to learn English. Excellent. The word want shows your wishes.
Number 4. Have. Meaning, to own something or to do something.
Example, I have a car. Example, I have a meeting today. Your turn, I have class today. Repeat, I have class today. Very nice. Super useful for talking about your day. Before we continue, have you learned at least one new thing in this episode? Then pause the podcast and hit subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe now and comment later. Number 5. Have to. Meaning, something is necessary.
Example, I have to work today. Example, I have to wake up early. Now repeat, I have to study English. Perfect. This is how we talk about responsibilities.
Number 6. Later. Meaning, after some time.
Example, see you later. Example, call me later. Your turn, I do homework later. Great. Later, a friendly way to postpone things. To postpone means to push something until later time.
Number 7. Same. Meaning, equal or similar.
Example, I like pizza. Me too, same. Example, you are tired? Same. Now you try, I am busy today. Same. Excellent. Native speakers use this to show they feel the same as you.
Number 8.
Not really. Meaning, no, but softly and politely.
Example, are you free today? Not really. Example 2. Do you like coffee? Not really. Your turn. Are you tired? Not really. Very natural. Not really sounds much kinder than just no. Now let's practice together. Pause if you need more time, that's okay.
Practice 1. Repeat after us. Say, I need water.
I want coffee.
I have work today.
I have to study.
See you later.
Perfect pronunciation practice.
That was great. Let's keep going.
Practice 2. What do you say if your friend asks, do you have time now? You say, not really.
Good.
Practice 3. Say something true about your life.
I need underscore, 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 underscore.
I need sleep. I need food. I need English practice. Great job speaking.
Practice 4. Real-life situation. Imagine you meet a friend in the street. What do you say?
How about hi? I'm busy today. Let's talk later. Excellent daily English. You sound natural already.
Practice. Answer the questions. Your friend asks,
Do you have time now?
you answer, not really.
Your friend says, I'm very busy today.
You reply, same.
Great job. Last practice, make it personal and fun.
Now, it is getting personal. Say something true about your life.
I need underscore, 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 underscore. Example, sleep, English practice, food. I want underscore, 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 underscore. Example, to speak English confidently. Well done. Bonus challenge, extra 4 minutes of practice.
Now, create your own mini dialogue using at least 4 of the words. Example, hi, I need coffee.
Do you have time now? Not really, I have to go to work. See you later. Pause and record yourself saying it out loud. You sound natural already. Great. Tell us in the comments your mini dialogue.
Yes, we would love to read your mini dialogue.
Today, you learned 8 very important daily English expressions.
Just need, want, have to, later, same, not really.
These are small words, but native speakers use them every day.
Here is your mission for today.
Use one of these expressions in real life. Maybe, I need coffee.
Or, see you later.
Simple English is powerful English. You are improving step by step, and I'm proud of you.
Subscribe to Elevate Your English for more daily practice together.
See you later.